So let's jump straight into this video. In this video, we're going to talk about time frames and the correlations of time frames. We mainly will focus on our daily time frame, our 4 hour, our 1 hour, and our 15 and our 5M. Right? Our daily time frame is the time frame where we will use to apply our daily key levels, right? Our daily key levels is basically the strongest levels in the market, especially in the Volti 75 markets. And we will most likely try our best to trade from the daily time frame or near or close by the daily key levels, because right, that is where you get the most profitable trading opportunities. Then we will use our 4 hour time frame just to look more in the intraday space, but also keep in mind our 4 hour time frame is most likely the more intraday where price will head to that current day. A 1 hour time frame, we will most likely use this time frame to spot and to look out for our trading opportunities. If price is in a corrective, is price in an impulsive, or what is price basically starting to tell us. So once you open up your charts and you're on the daily time frame and you can see there's like more than three bullish candles in a particular way to the upside, right? So now you know that okay, we have three bullish candles on a 1 hour time frame, basically determining and showing us the direction of the current day. So it's the best to follow our current 1 hour on the day to follow, because for our daily a 1 hour time frame is a really good confirmation for us to tell us where price will head to. A 15-minute time frame is most likely where we will look out for certain patterns, recognizable patterns that I did mention in the previous video. So 15 minutes, guys, we will look for our entries and wait for our engulfings. A 5M time frame is also the same as a lens of a 15 minutes, but on this time frame, guys, we will most likely now zoom into a smaller lens to see what type of trading opportunities is there on our smaller time frames. But in the videos that comes ahead, guys, I will basically show you guys all of the entry techniques. That is why I included the entry candle lesson into this course, so you guys can understand. So this was basically the understanding of time frames and what time frames we will use and you must also use on your trading journey. It's because why, guys, this course is really simple. I'm not gonna try to go so much and make it so much complicated for you guys, because why, it is not complicated. I'm only teaching you the basics and what you need to trade the VIX 75, because why, that is all you gonna need to trade the VIX 75 successful. So let's wrap it up with this video. So this is basically the time frames that we most likely will focus on and the meanings behind it, guys. The daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, and a 5M. Daily time frame is for our overall daily momentum to see for our key levels where price is trading and we must trade near it. Our 4 hour time frame, we will determine what also where we're trading at it and how did our 4 hour candle close to determine if the price will continue their direction. A 1 hour candle is also one of the main intraday time frames to determine and show us where price will basically head to. A 15-minute time frames are entry time frame where we look for patterns and execute our positions. Five minute time frame is the same. We will look for our entry patterns and take positions once we see a recognizable trading opportunity on the 5M time frame. So this is it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next trading video.